A squeaking front-load dryer can be caused by two main issues: an uneven surface or a worn drive belt. To address these problems, start by adjusting the dryer's legs to ensure it is level. Place a level on the dryer to check if it is sitting on a flat surface. Then unplug the appliance and tilt it if necessary. Continue adjusting the legs until the dryer is level. Then restore power and check if the squeaking persists. If the issue remains, it may be due to a worn drive belt, which will need to be replaced. To do this, unplug the dryer, detach the vent duct, and remove the top and front panels to access the drum. Remove the worn drive belt and replace it with a new one, aligning it in its proper place and threading it through the idler pulley and over the motor pulley. Once the new belt is in place, reattach the front and top panels, reattach the vent duct, and restore power to the dryer. With these steps, the squeaking issue should be resolved.